In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the very basic of shell navigation. You're gonna understand everything. It's gonna be pretty easy, and let's start. I'm gonna go to the Explorer, then desktop. I'm gonna open a terminal on the desktop, and I'm gonna close desktop right here. So on the desktop right here, I'm gonna create a mother folder called Sophia. So I'm gonna say mkdir, then Sophia, then I'll press enter. As you can see it right here, and I'm gonna open the directory Sophia. Inside Sophia, I'm gonna create two directories. I'm gonna create a directory named alpha. To create a directory named alpha inside the directory Sophia, I'm gonna do cd, then I'm gonna specify the directory where I'll be writing, or maybe I'll be adding another directory. So it's gonna be Sophia. I'm moving to Sophia directory, then I'll press enter. As you can see, we are on desktop, then Sophia. Now I'm gonna create a folder or a directory named alpha. Then I'm gonna do mkdir, it's alpha, it's right there. Then I'm gonna create another directory named alita, mkdir, then alita, then I'll press enter. As you can see, there are two files which are right here. I'll go to alpha and create a file. Then to move to another file, I'll do cd. I'll specify the name alpha, alpha, then I'll press enter. We are currently in desktop Sophia, then alpha. Inside alpha, I'll create a file. This is gonna be a book. A book will be english.txt. Then I'll say echo welcome to English. I can write it in double quotes or single quotes, it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna press enter to create a file. We have english.txt right there, and we'll have welcome to English. It's gonna be written inside this file. It's right there. So I'm gonna close, then I go back. That file is inside alpha directory. So inside alita we have nothing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy english.txt to alita. So I'll do, since I'm inside alpha right here where the file is, so I'm gonna go ahead and do cp. Then I'm gonna specify the name of the file, which is english.txt. Remember, we have to put an extension, then we have to move it to alita ... then /, then we put the name of our directory where our file is going, so it's alita. Then I'll press enter. We have the file here in alpha, then we're gonna have it as well here, english.txt, as you can see. So let's delete a file inside alpha, the original one which we created first. Let's remove it. So I'm gonna open alpha, then inside alpha right here we're gonna do rm english.txt, txt, press enter, it's gone. So we're gonna go back, and by going back we're gonna do cd ... We are currently inside the mother folder Sophia. So we go back to Sophia again. So let's go to Alita directory. Then I'm gonna do cd Alita, press enter. We are currently into Alita. Let's see what is inside Alita. By seeing what is inside, I'm gonna do ls. We have english.txt, which is this one right here. So let's edit the text on which is on english.txt in the Alita folder. So what I'm gonna do is I'll say echo, and remember we are adding to an existing file. We created a file with this text here, so we're gonna add a text on an existing file. So we're gonna do echo, put double quotes, then I'm gonna say we learn English, then I'm gonna put double quotes, and here now we have to put double greater than signs indicating that we are writing to an existing file. Then I'm gonna say english.txt file, then I'm gonna press enter. So we're gonna see this code, this text right here. We learn English. First one, we're gonna see welcome to English, then we learn English. It's gonna be the second one. So let's open. As you can see right here, we do have okay, let me reload. As you can see, we do have welcome to English, the first one, then the second one is we learn English. So those are the two things I have written. I'm gonna remove the file now. So by removing a file named english.txt inside Alita directory, I'm gonna type the code rm, then english.txt. I press enter, it's gone. So next now I'm gonna do remove the directory Alita and alpha. So I'm gonna remove every directory which is right here. I can remove them one by one, but now this time I'm gonna remove everything. So I'm gonna delete every directory which is under Sophia. So what I'm gonna do is move back to Sophia, cd ... to move back. I'm currently on Sophia folder. Under Sophia folder, I'm gonna see the files which are there. It's Alita and alpha. As you can see, Alita alpha, this is the mother folder. So I'm gonna delete everything right here. Deleting a file and deleting a folder is different. Deleting a folder or maybe a directory, we're gonna say rm -r, because it's a directory, or maybe they are directories. So we're gonna do -r, then we say Alita and alpha as directories. Then I'm gonna press enter. We don't have files right here, so I'm gonna go back cd ... again for the second time to go to the desktop. Currently we are on the desktop. I'm gonna remove the file Sophia. We are on the desktop, this is Sophia, so we're gonna remove the file. So I'm gonna do rm space -r, then Sophia is the mother folder. I've deleted everything. So this is all about navigation.